Hi guys, how you guys doing? I hope you're well. This is the first time I'm actually, well, maybe not the first time, but I rarely do videos where I'm like sitting down and like chatting to you and stuff, so I thought this would be nice. There's this trend that's going around like that says, you know, I tried following a blah blah blah, and I wanted to do a video, so I'm gonna do a Chizi Duru one. I love Chizi. I think she's hilarious and I just love it when she does her Nigerian accent. She's so funny. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna follow a video that she did a while ago. It's a twist out tutorial, and it's a twist out in under 2 hours, and it came out so good, so fluffy, so curly and stuff. So yeah, I decided to try. So let's see if it works with my hair. I feel like my hair and Chizi's hair are quite similar, so it might work, who knows.
Hey guys, so I am in the biggest rush right now. I have an event to go to in literally 2 hours, and I am about to do a twist out, and you guys are gonna watch me do it.
Hey girl. I've been watching Chizi for so long, like for ages, since she was in college. I just love her personality, eh? So she used like a cream, like a butter cream, and she used a gel in doing the twist out. So I'm just going to use my shea butter, my whipped shea butter, and my DIY leave-in conditioner to do that. And then I've got some gel as well that I'm going to use. So yeah. Alright, so I'll be using this Schwarzkopf gel.
Minimal product. So you're gonna see here that I use the smallest amount of product for moisture, and you don't want to start with wet hair.
So her hair has been in twists, but mine has been in a puff like throughout the week. So I mean, it's fairly stretched. It's not 100% stretched, but it is fairly stretched, so it should work.
So I'm going to use my first product as my moisturizing product, and the trick with having your twist out dry in time is to use minimal product. So you're going to see here that I use the smallest amount of product for moisture.
Alright, so she did it on dry hair, and she just went straight into apply moisturizer. My hair is super dry, so I'm just going to spritz it lightly, very lightly, because she said like if you don't want your hair to take forever in drying, then don't add water. But yeah, I'm just going to add a tiny bit of water.
I'm just going to coat my strands with the product, and then I will do this all around my head until I'm done.
Okay, so she's going ahead and adding the leave-in conditioner to her hair, the butter cream if you want to call it, which in this case I'm using a leave-in conditioner. I have no patience for my hair, right? Like, she's actually going in little sections and coating her strands.
So before any twist out, I usually like to flat twist my roots. You guys know this. Just
oh my god, she's going so fast. Okay, I'm gonna pause it.
Much stretch within
okay, so she started now her twist out. So I'm just gonna section a tiny bit here.
Roots as possible, because you know, 4C hair sometimes you get matte in your roots, so you just want to get your hair as stretched as possible. And
yeah, let's watch her again, see what she says.
Sometimes you get matte in your roots.
Has she already started the tutorial? I thought she was moisturizing her hair. Oh my god, this girl. Okay, hang on, let's play it again.
Stretched as possible, and I achieved that by flat twisting.
Okay, so she flat
flat
twisted the bottom, so but when did she add the gel? Did she add the gel already? Hang on. Gosh, okay, let me play it again. Oh, okay, that makes sense. So she basically twisted it with the butter cream, and then she added the gel on top of the twists that were complete. Okay, so let's go ahead and twist the hair. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a bit of my cream. So I'm not even gonna use the shea butter, because she just used the butter cream stuff. She didn't add any like oil or anything to seal it. So we're just gonna do that because we're trying to get our hair to dry as quickly as hers did. So she says she flat twisted the bottom at the ends of her hair, so I'll go ahead and do the same. My first twist is done and it's looking juicy. Alright, so my twists are done. That's what it's looking like. Was to add hair gel to the top of her hair. I've never done this. Usually I add the gel whilst I'm twisting my hair, and that's the normal way I've seen it. But I guess, you know, we're trying to make this quicker and stuff, so maybe this is a better way of doing it. I don't know. But we're listening to Chizi here, so let's go by her suggestions, right? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add it to my hair on top of my twist, and we'll see how that goes. Generally, you know the struggle, like you try to follow a YouTuber's style and it never ever comes out the same, so we shall see. Chizi is quite real though, so I presume that, you know, her videos are accurate, but let's see. Let's not talk too much. At this point, she used her hair diffuser thing to dry her hair. I didn't have that, but I have a blow dryer, so that's what I'm gonna get. Okay, so I've got my blow dryer here, and I'm going to dry these juicy twists and hope for the best. So let's go. It's on the coolest setting possible. So
it took about excellent. It didn't take all night, it didn't take all day. So now that my hair is fully dry and my
so I have blow dried my hair. I blow dried it for about half an hour. So what Chizi's doing, she's adding some oil to her fingers, and then she's gonna go ahead and unravel the twist. So moment of truth, guys, are you ready? Okay, so she's using castor oil. I'm just going to use my oil mix. I have a video on this, so I'll leave it in the description box for people that are interested. And yeah, I'm just going to rub it in my palm and then go ahead and unravel my twist. Hopefully they're dry. I got it in 30 minutes. There we go. It's not looking that bad. It's quite curly. It's not as shiny as I would have liked it to be, but it's not. Oh, this one did not dry. No. So you see, the curls are not like that great. Okay. Doesn't look that bad, but didn't dry perfectly. So I realized she actually coated the whole hair with the oil before unraveling it. See, I have no patience for my hair, eh? Like, it's horrible. You need to do better, Jazz. Seriously. But my ends though, they're not looking good. Like, I need to trim it. Seriously.
Take down all the twists without fluffing. So now I'm actually going to start doing that. And I usually go in.
Alright, wait. So fast. Okay.
So this is what my hair is looking like after I take down all the twists without fluffing. So now I'm actually going to start doing that. And I usually go in rows when I want to fluff my hair, only because it lets me keep track of which twist I'm fluffing.
It's not looking too bad, hey. It's not looking too bad. I haven't separated it yet. This is just after me like unraveling the twist. It's kind of looking good. Like, it's not that bad. Okay, cool. So what's Chizi doing next? Let's find out. See, I'm getting excited because I never get my hair like this, but that's because, like, I'm never that patient.
Which twist I'm fluffing, just so that you don't miss any twists.
Okay, so now she's separating her hair, so that's what we're gonna do. Let's pause you because you talk too fast. Okay, so gently separate, Jasmine. Don't just run your fingers through it. Gently separate.
And once
Okay,
I'm
so
done
that's what we're gonna
fluffing,
do. Oh my god, I'm so excited because my hair looks bomb. The sad part is I have nowhere to go, like I'm not going anywhere. It's Sunday evening, so I cannot be asked to go anywhere. I've got work tomorrow.
and once I'm done
But
fluffing,
this is
I
the
like
fun
to
part.
shake
So
my
she
hair
basically
out
shakes her hair around
vigorously,
vigorously
right
like
here.
that.
And yeah, then I use my wide tooth comb and try.
Oh my god, how come mine doesn't look like hers? She fluffs the roots a little bit too, so let's do that.
About any parts that may be showing, but you don't want to go all the way through the hair strand because you don't want to disturb the curl pattern.
Okay, so I've done the same thing, but mine is not looking the same. Why is my hair looking like this? So
and
she
yeah,
pinned her bangs down.
Pin,
Okay.
and I'm gonna pin my
Okay.
bangs down just so that it falls a little bit.
Let me get a pin. Okay, so she pins her bangs down.
And yeah, guys, that's basically it for this
Just
look.
so it falls in her
Fluff
face
it a little more if you'd
bit.
like, but that's about it. If you guys like this,
it doesn't look that bad, eh? Like, it turned out alright. I think I like it. I think it turned out okay. If my hair was like properly trimmed and stuff, it would have looked so much better. But yeah, I think it turned out okay. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I think I did alright. Like, my hair looks pretty okay. But I like it. I could definitely go out with my hair like this for sure. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I guess I will see you in my next video. If you're new to my channel, just know that I make like hair tutorials like this, and I do make like, you know, natural skincare, natural hair care, all that good stuff, and I sell some of my products as well. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Anyways, alright, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.